Hello everyone, welcome to Master J Skills. Today we will see how to execute a sample Java program without Java editors. So for this we will open any notepad. There we will type our class. So I am typing class demo public static void main string args system dot out dot println. Here we are typing any message like welcome to Java world. So our class is ready and we will save this file with the same name as a class name like demo.java. I'm just saving into this location. I just saved and you can see there is only one file, that is demo.java. You can see the type of file is Java file, and I'm opening the command prompt in the same location, that is you can see we are into E drive Master J Skills, and you can observe there is only one file and I am giving a command. We will compile this file with a command called java c and the file name .java. So this will compile our Java file to the class file. So it is successfully compiled and you can see another file is generated, that is demo.class. This demo.class is being used by the JVM, and we will see how this class is being used and what is the process of JVM will do with this file. Everything we will see in the next video with an architecture. So this is how the class is compiled, and now we will execute this compiled compiled class file. For this we will just give the Java command and we will give just the file name, not without any extension, because we are now executing .class file, not the .java file. Okay, for this we will just enter and our message is printed here, that is welcome to Java world. This is quite simple, and to execute this one, most of the beginners are facing internal and external error. So how to fix this one, why we are getting this, we will get everything in details in the how to set the Java path in the Java path. That video you will see how to fix that issue. So we have to set the path. So how to set that path is detailedly explained in the previous video. Please check in that video. Hope you understood how to execute any Java files without any Java editors. If you still have any doubts, please drop your queries in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer all of your queries. And if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.